All right, number 24. It says the graph f of x is equal to x squared, shown on the grid below. Which statement is true about the relationship between f and the graph g of x is equal to 7x squared is true? Well, now remember, if we have f of x is equal to a times x minus h squared plus k. Now the a value, this is the coefficient with x squared. This determines whether or not it's steeper or less steep. So that means narrower, more narrow, or less narrow. So wider. Well, if our a value is greater than 0, then it's going to be steeper or more narrow in terms of our graph. So that is going to be f. And we're not translating. We know we're not doing any translation, so our answer choice is going to be narrower or wider. We know since our a value here is greater than 1, it's going to be more narrow. Which expression is a factor of 36x squared minus 49? Now I want you to pay attention to this. Whenever you see a quadratic equation, an x squared, and you see a difference, and you have a binomial, I want you to think the difference of two squares. I want you to look at number 49. Number 49, that's a perfect square. 36, that's also a perfect square. So that's going to be a. So the square root of 36 is 6. So that's going to be 6x minus the square root of 49 is 7 times 6x plus 7. Those are going to be the two factors of that perfect square. So that is going to be our answer choice D. Scatter plot shows the monthly high temperatures for Austin, Texas in degrees Fahrenheit over a 12-month period. Which function best models the data from month 1 to month 9? So that means that we're talking about an equation that's going to, whoop, that's an awful line. Now that's going to mean our equation is going to look somewhat like that. All right, so it is going to be a linear. And we have a y-intercept kind of around here below 89. So that means that's going to count on our answer choice F and our answer choice J for sure. Both of those are going to discount those also because those are negative. And between 1 month and 9 months, our slope is positive. Yes, I know we have these little 2 points out there, but we're talking about specifically from 1 month to 9. Now it's going to be closer to, in terms of our y-intercept, I'm going to say it's closer to 90, so our answer choice is H. Given the f of x is equal to 6 times 1 minus x, what is the value of f(a)? Where that's our input. So we're going to say f of x is equal to 6 times 1 minus 8. That becomes plus 8, which is going to be 6 times 9, which is equal to 54. See you in the next video.